So gidawat ka sa Ginoo dili because of anything you have done. God accepted you because of everything that Christ has done for you. That's why ayaw pag-una that when you fall, you fail, you fall short of the glory of God, you fall in sin, maingog una-una ka ngayon, no longer acceptable in the sight of God because in the first place, dili na mo'y basihan sa Ginoo nga iya kang gidawat siyang kaugalingon. Gidawat kanya because of Christ. So long as you are united to Christ, and I believe that your union in Christ is an eternal union, there will never ever be a time sa imong Christian life, however you fall into a serious sin, then mahimo kang unacceptable in the sight of God because Christ will never become unacceptable in the sight of God. He will always be the beloved of God.